more cars on the road, which significantly increases your chances of a fender bender. That also means you could be shelling out a heck of a lot more for car insurance. According to new data from Bankrate, the average full coverage premium increased 43% after a single at-fault car accident. With more on how drivers can stay safe and save a little money this summer, we're joined by Bankrate analyst Shannon Martin. Shannon, good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
All right, that 43% we just heard, that's an eye-opener for people after an accident. That is quite a bump. So what are some important reminders for drivers to stay safe during summer travel season?
The best way drivers can stay safe this summer is by being prepared. So doing basic car maintenance, especially in this extreme heat where our tires are degrading faster, our windshield wipers are degrading faster, that can be really key to staying safe on the road. So if you're unfamiliar with, make sure you take a look at your directions ahead of time. The most recent data shows that even using hands-free navigation takes your eyes off the road for a little bit too long. And as always, if you're going somewhere and you plan on drinking, always make sure you have a designated driver.
Yeah, so let's talk about things right now. The last thing anyone wants right now is to pay more for anything, but car insurance rates all across the country have just been skyrocketing. I live in the state of New Jersey and just got literally a note 2 days ago saying that insurance rates in New Jersey are going to go up about another 12% this year on top of what are already some of the highest in the country. What can people do to save money?
The first thing that you'll want to do is take a look at your policy and make sure it's still accurate. If you've had any life event changes, getting married, a new job, graduating from college, these updates may actually help reduce some of your premium. Then talk with your agent, see if there's any discounts that you're eligible for. You can always shop around. Now, most insurance companies have seen increases, so you might not save as much money as you would have a few years ago, but shopping around can help you find ways to save money too.
You talk about monitoring credit scores here. What does that have to do with insurance companies and what kind of rates you get?
Well, using credit scores is actually a really hot topic right now with insurance. The insurance companies use what's called credit-based insurance scores in most states. And basically they found that statistically, if you have a low credit score, you're more likely to file a claim. Now, drivers with poor credit tend to pay rates that are closer to drivers with DUI. So as soon as you can improve your credit score, the better your insurance rate will be.
Yeah, I mean, you smack a DWI under your record, forget about getting decent insurance rates first and foremost, so we can probably take that off the table. But let me ask you this. Can people shop? Do you recommend shopping around to different insurance companies to see where you can get the best rate and get the best liability coverage and whatnot, all the things that you need under that umbrella of car insurance for you or whatever's right for you and your family?
Absolutely. Every insurance company is different and every driver and household is different. If you've been with the same carrier the last 5 years, your life doesn't look the same way now as it did 5 years ago, and they might not be the best fit for you anymore. The key to doing it safely is make sure to keep your coverages the same so you're doing an apples to apples comparison.
All right. Well, Shannon, thank you so much for taking the time this morning. We do appreciate it. For more information on keeping your car insurance low, you can visit bankrate.com.